If you've ever planted an envelope full of seeds in soil only to have just a few sprouts emerge, you'll appreciate the idea of pre-sprouting courgette seeds. With pre-sprouting, you can see in advance which seeds are viable. This is an especially valuable tool if you've got old seeds from past seasons. There are a couple of different ways to do it, but the general idea is to keep seeds moist and warm for a few days so they have a chance to sprout. I kept mine in a plastic container to help retain moisture. As soon as you see the seeds begin to send out sprouts, carefully lift each one and plant in a soil-filled pot. As soon as the first roots have emerged from the courgette seed coats, carefully plant them directly in pots, with the root pointing down whenever possible, not pointing upwards. Please note that the root is very delicate, so cover the seeds lightly with moist soil or seedling mix and water gently. Successful care for seedlings once sprouted will take you on the road to transplanting. One of the basic seedling care tips is that you don't need supplemental food until the cotyledon has completely emerged and several sets of true leaves are present. With good care you will have a strong and healthy courgette plant ready to take place in your garden. Thank you for watching my video.